So I'm Shivam Thakre. I'm a student from Mathai. My student code is FS430139. So there is I took a question, DSA question, which is I have to explain. I shared my screen. So uh, this is the question. Uh, Online shopping budget. So the question is said that. Uh, Imagine is Steven a novice to online shopping. Is apprehensive about potential fraud. Seeking guidance, he turned to you, an experienced online shopper for assistance. Steven has set a budget for his shopping expedition, but it's as uncertain about selecting item from his list, all of which are his favorite. He entrusted you with the task of choosing item within his budget, understanding that your decision will be final. Your your objective is to help Steven maximize his shopping experience by selecting the longest sequence consecutive of items from his list, whose total price does not exceed his budget. So the question is said that you have to help Sibin to choose a longest sub-array, consecutive, longest consecutive subsequence to which is not exceed the given amount, like a budget of 7. So there is a sequence of array, there is array, and there is a amount which is budget of 7. So we have to choose any sequence, consecutive subsequence, which is less than, which is less than uh, to this budget. Like so there is when we pick any like 24, 55, which is add to so it will be greater than 67. So like 55, 29, so it will also greater than 67. But when we add 27 and 29 and 17, so it will be like it will be only 46, and which is smaller than 67. And when we add to 46 to 12, so it will be 58, which is less than uh, 267. But after that, when we add 38 to that given sequence, so it will reach the limit. It will cross the limit. It will cross the budget. So we will not add that 38, and we want consecutive subsequence. So there is subsequence which is 29, 17, and 12. So this is the subsequence. So now I explain what is my approach, and how I will code. So uh, so this is the uh, array and array, which is this is the array, and this is the project. So my approach is I can use a brute force approach, but brute force approach brute force approach is I took uh, I took two for loops. One start with 0 to n minus 1, and second start with I plus 1 to n minus 1, and I add array of I plus array of j is is less than 2 budget. So it will also give output, but the time complexity will be V of n square. So I used sliding window. Sliding window will work here. Like when I took a for loop which is run 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1, and then I add the element to a sub variable, some variable. Uh, so some when we add first variable to the sum, uh, it will less than our budget, so we will increase our frequency. So then we will add 55 to 24, so uh, it will reach 79. So it will greater than 67. Yes. So we will remove that previous element. Uh, we will remove previous element, or we will add next element. So we removed previous 24, and we add 29. So after adding 29 to 55, it will also cross the limit. So we will remove this 55 and to add 17 to 29. So it will be 46. So it will less than to 67. Then we will add 12 to 46 to, so it will be 58. So 58, 58, uh, 58 less than to 67. So it might be our answer. So we store it to our max length, because we have to find the longest consecutive subsequence length. So we store the length of subsequence to our max length variable. Then uh, after that, when we add 58 to 38, so it will also reach the limit. So we remove 29. And after that, we check, like it will be 50, and it will be uh, it will be like 67. But we have to choose less than the budget. So it will also not our answer. Then we will remove this 17 and add 14. So it will also 64. So we want to find a subsequence. So there is my code. So first we find max length equals to 0, sum equals to and tell sum equals to, like j equals to 0. We take a variable for let I equals to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. Then we add sum to array of I. Then we check y. So sum, when sum will greater than to our budget, which is k, and our our uh, j variable less than or I, less than equals to or I. So we will remove that back element, previous element, and add next element. So sum minus equals to array of j and j plus plus, and then we check, we put length of consecutive element to the max length. So math dot max max length and I minus j plus 1. So it will give the previous element, which is like a 12 index, and it will give our which is starting of longest subsequence element index, and we we find nth indexing, so we add plus one. So after that we con console max length. So there will we have to run. So the length is 3. The max length, which is 3. The max length will be 3. So we have there is one subsequence which is length less than 67. The second is 38 plus 12, which is 50. 50 plus 17, 67, which is equal to 67. So max length will be 3, still 3. Then we add, it will be 50, 38 plus 12, it will be 50, 38 plus 12, and plus 14, so it will be 64. So it will also less than 67, and length is longest subsequent is still 3. So our answer will be 3. So that's it. That was my approach and solution.